What's up? So we're going to FABSPEED. We're meeting Nick and Dean there from Stafford Media, so that should be a lot of fun. You guys know them. Evan's gonna be here in about 10 minutes. I need to go and get a Celsius. We'll see you guys there. Oh, look at that Pathfinder. Are you filming? Good morning. I already told them what we're doing. Did you already tell them what we're doing?
Yeah. Today I'm really excited. We're going to FABSPEED Motorsports, the guys behind the crazy exhaust systems for companies like Ferrari. Yeah, they opened up their shop just for us to hang out, drive some cars, and just have a good time. Speaking of cool cars, Nissan dropped off the all-new Pathfinder this morning for us to take a ride up there, and yo, brown leather seats, heated steering wheel. We're gonna go pick up the team, and we're gonna go head to FABSPEED. Let's go. These seats are so comfy. Dude, this is like a luxury car. Like, there's more leather in this car than there is in most luxury cars, honestly.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of manufacturers that go with like cheap leather. This is like nice real leather. Digital display is really nice.
That's quick. Speedy.
Yeah, good graphics. The only thing I'm not too crazy about is this. It's not bad.
It's bad.
Here's the kicker. These cameras are laggy. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. This issue needs to be addressed. It could use a little more horsepower, just a little more.
Does it feel slow?
It doesn't feel slow. It takes like a few seconds for the power to kick in. It's just a nice place to be. I mean,
Yeah. If
I had a big family or a big camera crew, this is the perfect SUV for it. I mean,
Yeah.
for $55,000, this is really nice.
It's a really solid feeling steering wheel. Soft, smooth, squishy, tight.
Okay.
You've arrived at your destination.
What's up, guys?
Hey! Yeah.
You guys want to see inside?
Yeah. Oh, this is sick.
Is this an S?
This thing is nuts.
FABSPEED Motorsports, we make performance parts for exotic cars, the best performance parts in the world for exotic cars, mainly specializing in exhausts, and it's all done right here in Pennsylvania. Everything is welded right here in the facility, research and design right here in these lifts. This is the R&D lift where the forklift's in right now. Tested on our dyno, and then on the street, obviously. HJS, German catalytic converters from Germany. Helical valves from the UK, like in sourcing the best parts to make all this stuff. It's not like just a mail order catalog. That's what like a lot of people do in the game. It's like a lot of just mail order stuff from China. You can prove that you bought it from us, yeah, we'll fix it. Like we don't even make those anymore.
Oh,
Yeah.
dude, this is beautiful.
Yeah, it's a 992 Valvetronic.
For a 992? What's the oldest car you guys have ever put an exhaust on?
1976, like 930s. Those early air-cooled Porsches.
What's the story behind the Phoenix?
It's like one of those German like birds. You know, like
So were you guys into this?
doing an even cherry intake and then FABSPEED exhaust.
What you playing with? This is a factory manual on HREs. 360 Spider. Honestly, one of my favorite Ferraris. People like to hate on the 360s, but I love the 360. And it's in the best color combo as well. This thing is clean. Wow. You can tell this car is not driven very often.
Yep, and then it'll do.
Hey guys.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. I can't take him anywhere. Yeah. This thing is used and abused. You put a FABSPEED exhaust on it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, it probably screams, bro.
Wow, you don't see these every day. Boxer Spiders.
Yeah.
This is the OG Boxer Spider.
This whole piece, super light.
This is the Corvette Z06, and we'll see how it stacks up against the Porsche GT3.
Corvette does sound
Wow.
better. Yeah.
Holy shit.
God damn.
I can't believe I just said that.
Wait. Corvette sounds better? Which one looks better?
This.
Nice. We got that.
Hopefully the mic is still there.
Yeah. You're good.
Put it all nice and secure.
Yeah.
Nice.
You like that?
Look at how wide it is. See how the windshield, right? See how it's like white?
Uh-huh.
I don't like that, so we're gonna get rid of that
Oh
reflection.
my god. Are you a photographer or something?
So I'm curious, the R&D process to build like an exhaust, what's that actually look like? Is it like just putting a lot of miles on the car, just like seeing if it falls off?
For a new car coming in, we'll scan it underneath, get it all on 3D scanned. We'll test products with 3D print it, and then we'll actually fabricate it, test it on the car, run it on the dyno, get all the stats of the gains, if there was losses. vice
So you're
versa.
actually measuring the horsepower.
Yeah.
Interesting. So it's not just let's make the car sound cool, it's let's actually add
performance,
horsepower.
Yeah. and
No
so-
way.
yeah. We have a set amount of mufflers that we kind of recreate. We're like our signature X pipe. We'll use that for like 992 Valvetronic, and tons of our products have our signature X pipe. We actually just released our GT3 Valvetronic in titanium. So light. Like
How much does the stock exhaust weigh? Probably like 30, 40 pounds?
30, 40,
Yeah.
even close around 50.
And the
depending
titanium
on the-
one's probably, what, like
this.
12 pounds?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
Just sitting there inhaling exhaust fumes.
Yeah. Where's Dean? What'd you find?
Snap specs.
Huh. Oh, interesting.
So you press the button, you connect it to your Snapchat, and then you can do like FPV stuff.
From like 2016. Buy it to a degree. I wouldn't, do anything crazy. That's kind of the goal right now.
Where'd this GT3 come from?
He was just driving by. He's like, "Oh, Porsche!"
Bystander.
Oh.
And then he went back to his house. He got his Porsche. He's like, "It's a Porsche party!"
Wow, that's...
We did.
Oh, those are like the 3RS paddle shifters.
They're JC Works paddle shifters.
Oh my god, it's so
They look sick.
tactile.
Yeah, it's okay.
It works.
Oh my god.
This wing looks nuts.
Yeah,
We moved it right under the
the
dumper.
extendo wing.
I want to get one shot where you guys both switch lanes. I'm gonna get head on for each one individually. I want to get a 3/4. Yeah, I think that's all we're gonna need. Maybe like a full side shot, and then that should be good. Okay. And then both of them together. And
I can follow one to the highway if you want to do that. You can direct me also. I don't care. Follow me.
they sent the entire gap.
Fucking Porsche drivers.
Fuck yeah.
Good?
Very. fuck! I have no SD card space!
No!
What? Hold on. Give me an SD card. Take it. I know. Alright, this is our exit. Let's take it, take it, speed.
I smell Porsche!
I'm just smiling. Get in the third lane, purple. I can't. Dude, what the fuck? Can you get all the way to the left or no? No, I can't. Stop asking. Look at the traffic. Stop asking. Well, traffic changes. That's why I keep asking.
Private jet. So thank you so much to thank you so much to FABSPEED Motorsport for letting us drive these amazing cars today. Guys, they make such cool products. I don't know why you don't have the FABSPEED exhaust on your car. Thank you to Joe and the entire team. If you want to see more videos like this, you know where to click. I'll see you on the next one. You fuck. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am so excited for what we are going to do today. But first, everyone has been asking me, so I'm gonna give it away. I have accumulated over 238 million views for myself and my clients, just like these guys, and I'm giving away all my secrets step by step to exactly how I did it to the first 20 people who hit the link in the description. So if you want to make some money and go get some views, you know where to click.